Why do most gamers use mechanical keyboards instead of regular ones? It's not just for the sound, there's a real advantage. Mechanical keyboards use individual switches under each key, which means faster and more accurate inputs. Unlike normal keyboards, you don't have to press the key all the way down. It registers halfway, making your reactions quicker in games. They're also built for durability. Most mechanical keyboards can handle 50 million key presses or more, which is perfect for heavy gaming sessions. Another reason is customization. Gamers can choose different switch types like linear, tactile, or clicky, depending on how they want their keys to feel. And yes, there's also the RGB lighting, which isn't just for looks. It can highlight important keys in games, so it's not just hype. Mechanical keyboards actually give gamers better speed, control, and comfort. Follow for more gaming and tech facts.